Hi everyone, this is Shane Ham. This old phone has been present for most of my life. It used to sit on a shelf in my parents' basement right by the door that we used to come and go every day. I never thought much about it, I just noticed it at some subconscious level as I passed it. I didn't even know what kind of phone it was until now. According to oldphoneshop.com, it's a 1915 Western Electric 40AL candlestick telephone. I looked it up on my iPhone. It was the luxury model compared to the wooden box phones that would hang up on the wall. When I look at it, though, I don't see it as a phone. It just reminds me of my childhood home when I would come and go every day. Now the phone's here in my house and it sits on a shelf near the front door where my kids come and go every day. They don't say much about it. They just stack it up against what they consider a phone to be now. They probably don't want to think too hard about giving up the connectedness that a modern phone provides them. If they had to use a phone like this, it would be like them losing one of their five senses. But maybe someday it will have accumulated enough memories that one of them will want to take it and put it on a shelf in their house near their front door. Thank you for listening to my speech.